Hey, welcome to another episode of Between Two Bikes. Today what I'm going to show you is my very new Fox Racing helmet. It's called a V1. I have not worn this helmet yet. I actually got it from Magic with Gabriella. I forgot her Instagram name. I'll put it there or here. But yeah, anyways, so I'm going to be doing a little unboxing here and comparing it against my, expensive, this helmet. There we go. It's a Klim Krios Pro. So expensive versus cheap. I think this helmet's probably like 150 bucks or so. I'll splash up the actual price because I don't actually know what it is. And I'm not sure how much the Klim Krios Pro is in USD. It was around 1,000 after taxes here in good old British Columbia. And I love this helmet. But anyways, I managed to get hold of this Fox Racing helmet. And I'm interested to see how it works for me. Now, having said all that, let me get to this unboxing and giving you guys a good view. Now, I'll notice that it does say it's got Mips here, which I think is a pretty much stock standard thing now for all helmets. Even bicycle helmets have that. The Klim stuff, I think they call it, I don't know, I'll have to splash that word up there as well. I've forgotten the name now. I think they call it Koroyd or something like that. It's the green stuff inside of here. If you can see in there, there should be some greeny, yeah, you can kind of see it. The green stuff that's in there. Maybe I'll pull this apart and you can see it better. But yeah. So anyhow, let's get to this. So on opening, what are we seeing here? What are we seeing? Not very much. All right, let's get this going. What I will say is that Fox has done a great job of branding things. They are unreal online right now. Everything I see has a little user manual, I guess, and comes with a little cover, the V1 on it. Yeah, everything I see online from Fox right now is very, very cool. Like, they've definitely hit it hard. This was a brand that I was always interested in as a teenager, riding BMX and doing all those things. So I like it. I like it a lot. I like their designs. I like their graphics. I like, sort of everything about their stuff. Okay, let's get into this. So it's got a nice air vent in the front. It is DOT certified, which I didn't think it would be because it's more like sort of a dirt bike style helmet. But that's cool, so you can ride it on the road. It's got Mips, as I said before. It's got a lot of venting. In a colder season, I would not like to ride this helmet. But it's nice. It's well made. For the price, I think it's friggin' excellent. I'm going to just pop it on, actually, because I've never even put this thing on. Let's feel it. It's a size large for my heat. I got a haircut today, so there should be a bit of extra room. Oh, yeah. Feels good. Feels really nice, actually. Even with the advertising shit still in here somewhere. It's a perfect fit, actually. It's nice and snug. Not too much room, not too little room. I think I'll be comfortable on it. Do the old prison shot. Shoulders back, boys. Yeah, it's cool. It's light. What I'll do is go and grab my scale from the kitchen and we can weigh them. I will say this right off of the bat, I would say it's, even with my GoPro stuff on this helmet, I'm gonna say that just based on feel, the Klim is lighter, which you expect from a helmet that's like 8 times as expensive, or 8 times more expensive. I will also say that the padding on the Klim feels like butter. It feels like you're sleeping in a silk bed. So yeah, if you can afford this helmet, buy this helmet. Simple things to it. The Fox inside padding feels a bit like you're wearing Velcro on your face. Not the most comfortable, but it'll probably wear in. But it doesn't feel terrible. It's like, it's okay. I'd say it's okay. It's great for the price, and that's about like where it ends. I like the design, I like the styling of it, I like the black and white thing. I like the visor, although there is not a lot of airflow, like just based on it. Like look what that's done, what Klim's done there. I'm thinking if I'm on the highway at this at like more than, let's say, 70 miles an hour, I think it's going to be a bit of a headache. But given that it is an off-road primary helmet, it's probably going to be perfect for what I want to use it for, which is riding in the dirt. And if I'm doing 70 miles an hour on the dirt, I'm taking a couple of risks, especially at my skill level. Okay, so 3 pounds 11 ounces for the Fox, no visor, and no GoPro stuff or Senna in it or anything like that. Let's check out the Klim. Yeah, 2 pounds and 6.7 ounces. So let's check that on the grams. So it's 1,096 grams. 1,096 grams for the Klim, and almost 1,700 grams for the Fox. So the Klim is significantly lighter. I've got my Senna stuff in there, and my GoPro mounts, which is not a lot of weight, but it's something. So if you're looking for a super lightweight helmet, the Klim Krios Pro is amazing. I would like to compare it against the Koroyd 4D, or whatever the successor is to that helmet, because that was a huge one for the ADV community. But yeah, that's sort of my rundown on these helmets. Let me give you, I'll just pop in some more views so you can see them. So beginning with the Klim, I got it in the whatever this finish is. It's kind of weird. It almost looks like unfinished, like they just slapped together some carbon, like it's not mated perfectly, which I actually kind of like. But I'll show you the green stuff inside here for a quick minute. So there's the Koroyd action, or whatever you want to call it. What do they call it? I don't know. See that green stuff, the like bubbly stuff? That's what it's all about. So it keeps this helmet super light. It's like honeycomb. Very cool. And let's have a look at the inside of the Fox. Now, looking inside this bad boy, so it's more like your traditional, I guess this yellow thing is the Mips, and that's more your traditional sort of secondary layer. I think it sort of works like tank armor, where they put a layer with some space between it, so you get first impact, and then it sort of slows it down before it actually smokes your head. So I think that's like the science behind this. At least that's how I explain it to myself. Someone else can comment and give me the actual technical stuff there. But anyhow, it's a really nice helmet for the money. I can't see why riding this helmet is a bad idea. Seriously, it's nice. It looks cool. I'm gonna rock it, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks again for watching. I'm not sure what my next video is going to be. It's probably going to be the finger pull soft easy clutch on the KTM. I have one of those to install from Camel. And I got to change the oil for the first time on the KTM. So that's next up in my video series here. Thanks for watching, and check you later. Ciao.